Alright guys, welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video, but before we jump into today's upload, we do have a video sponsor. Today's video sponsor is going to be a new application called VoIPscan. VoIPscan is an application that is available on iOS and Android, and this allows you to make free international calls. For those of you out there that are already making international calls, maybe it's to friends or family, you guys know it can get quite expensive. So with this VoIPscan app, guys, it's no longer expensive, it's no longer breaking the bank, and you get free international calls when you sign up. Also, when you first sign up, they do credit your account free credits, so that's also a plus as well. Again, guys, this application is available for iOS and Android. The links will be in the description below. Make sure you use those links when you download. It helps me out. I'm helping you out. VoIPscan, all for call. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. Alright, what is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Guys, right now I am with my buddy Ben, and we are going to meet up with somebody because I kind of have a problem. Since we hit 100,000 subscribers and stuff, I've recently got myself a new camera setup, and that's what I'm filming on right now. It is the Sony a6500, which is an amazing camera with a Sony wide-angle lens. Not too sure which one, but it was pretty expensive. Like I just said, I hit 100,000 subscribers recently, and thank you guys so much for that. So I figured I would go ahead and get myself a new computer. Another new computer, because this is like the second one in 2 months or something.
He does have a problem, by the way.
I do have a problem. I freaking love technology. We are heading to Ashland, Virginia. It's like 9 miles away. It's not too far at all. I'm meeting up with a guy. I'm buying pretty much a brand new 2018 MacBook Pro. It has the i7 in it. It's so much better than what I have. I have a 27-inch iMac and a 2014 MacBook Pro, but the 2014 is kind of out of date. iMac isn't really, versatile or anything like that, so I have to sit down in my little, cubicle type deal in my room. I'm gonna stop talking. We're on our way to Ashland. Let's get it.
Bad enough, for this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. If I gotta act hard, then the clout what I'm chasing.
Oh my god. Finally, I got myself a beautiful portable editing computer, and to be honest, it's probably better than my 27-inch iMac. I bought that one in 2015, but I'm totally nerding out right now. I love stuff like this. So I'm gonna get back to the house, and then we are gonna jump right into today's video topic, which is gonna be so fun because I'm excited, have a lot of things going on, and I know you guys are gonna love this just as much. So we'll see you as soon as we get back to the house. This is a couple days later, but I am a man of my word, and I said we'll pick this vlog up when we're back at the house, and we are at the house. So I'm not gonna lie, when I picked up my new MacBook, I kind of started fidgeting with that, and yeah, one thing led to another. Downloaded all my editing softwares on there, and then before you know it, it was dark out and I couldn't really finish this vlog, but that's exactly why I'm gonna finish it today. And guys, we have so much to talk about. I'm so excited for it. It's just like, it's the new beginning. You're reading the title and thumbnail of this video. You clearly know what it is already, but haven't really discussed what my plans are. That's gonna end today because we are gonna go into depth about that, and I'm just so stoked on it. But here, check this out. This is my little editing station. I got my built PC down there, and that's that monitor and that monitor. 144 hertz monitor, 60 hertz monitor. It's obviously a second screen. This is my iMac 5K. Oh my god. JD, I'm sorry, I can't answer this right now. I gotta get work done.
How you are, you don't just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into.
He's gonna really hate me for that one. So that's my little setup, guys. I love talking about this kind of stuff, but we gotta get into the main topic of this video. All right, guys, so let's step outside real quick, and we gotta go see what blue. Oh my god, it's gorgeous out here. Literally been inside all day since 8:30 in the morning, just busting out work. And that reminds me, guys, we just dropped some new merch. For those of you that weren't able to make it to Mustang Week 2019, which was a flop, you guys know I actually brought limited edition of Mustang Week shirts there, and they sold like hotcakes, not gonna lie. But when I got home, I was thinking it wasn't quite fair because Mustang Week wasn't in full effect, and there was a lot of people that couldn't make it. So with that being said, guys, recently we just surpassed 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. With that, I went ahead and re-released the merch. Actually gonna be a link in the description to the merch. Make sure you guys go check it out, go cop some. But all right, guys, let's talk about Blucifer. Before we go and take the drive, I just wanna give you guys the rundown, and I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. All right, this might work. I could be completely out of frame right now. I have no idea. All right, guys. So you know this is my 2013 Grabber Blue Mustang GT that I recently picked up. Probably 3.5, 4 months ago, or somewhere around there. And if you've been with the channel for a while now, you know I had a 1999 Mustang GT, also known as Blue 2-valve. And with that car, guys, it was such a learning experience, especially when I first started YouTube. That was like the first thing I started doing, was modifying the car on YouTube to build an audience. So with that being said, guys, you could probably see right here that I have some crazy fitment going on, and that's due to the Airlift Performance V2 system I have on this car. I did have the Airlift 3P on Blue. I didn't really think it was worth that extra money to buy the 3P again, so I went with a used V2 kit. Love it. It's amazing. It really is amazing. I gotta stand up for this one. It's about to get heated. I love the bags. I will always love the bags, but I have to be honest with you. I think I've grown out of the hot boy status. Is that the right word? It definitely did a complete 180 before Mustang Week. Here's a little shot of it. But I'm ready to learn the car, guys. I am ready to rip the bags off. I'm ready to go with a really solid suspension setup, upper, lower control arms. Obviously, we're probably gonna run some Viking shocks, maybe some Conies up front with the H&R Super Sport springs again. Probably throw some BMR suspension parts on there as well. So I am trying to get myself some SVE drags. And we're gonna have fun with this car. We are gonna learn it. We're gonna get ready for boost. It's not gonna happen anytime soon because I do wanna go full bolt-on with it with E85, but I promise you, it's already in the works because the bags are actually sold on the car already. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss that auto air up. I'm gonna miss it airing out. I'm ready to make some power. So a subscriber of mine that goes by the username of Kermit50 on Instagram has a gorgeous gotta have it green 50, and when I posted him up, he reached out to me and literally had payment ready the next day. So do me a quick favor, guys, head on to Instagram and go give Kermit50 a follow if you want to see what they're gonna look like on his car. I think it's gonna look pretty awesome, to be honest with you. Many of you guys watching this right now are probably gonna be so excited for this. I know I gave you a little sneak peek with like the full bolt-ons, E85 and stuff like that, but yeah, I have a lot planned for this thing. Right off the bat, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clear this up right now. A lot of you are probably wondering why I'm just not gonna keep the bags, run some nice shocks in the rear, put some drag radials on, and just keep it bagged. To be honest, it's for two main reasons. Reason number one is with me selling the bags, that gives me a lot more money to, you know, do some modifications of the car and get what I want to get done faster. And number two, I would much rather be on a spring and stay static with the drag radials, because in my opinion, I do think drag radials on a 5.0 look 20 times better than bags on a 5.0. Bags were nice on the 2-valve, on the new Edge, they look amazing, but on the 5.0, I just think radials look a lot better. And when I say radials, I don't mean like the tires, that's true, but I'm talking about the drag wheel themselves. But yes, guys, what made me make that final decision was honestly Mustang Week 2019. I know it wasn't an insane week or anything like that, but I saw a lot of cars that had so much potential, and then when I got back in mine, I was like, it has to change. You know, I'm quite curious. I'm gonna see if I get locked out trying to hit a second gear. It's probably not gonna go as smooth as I'd like it, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, that wasn't bad. Got a little sideways too. So yeah, that's exactly why I sold my Airlift. It was fun on the 2-valve. When I put it on Lucifer, I never really got that satisfaction from it. I'm excited to go static again, get these drag radials on with some drag wheels, and go full bolt-ons and see what this thing can put down. When it's time for a blower, we'll throw the blower on, and who knows, maybe we'll be at 1 million subscribers by then. Anyway, guys, that is gonna go ahead and conclude Friday's upload. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope many of you guys are excited. I know a lot of you wanted me to go this route from day one, which I should have listened to you guys. I didn't though, you know, sometimes you gotta go through something to learn something. So I definitely learned that with the 5.0, I'm just ready to actually put it to its full potential and not have it a show car, I guess. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what setup you are running on your Mustang when it comes to the suspension. That is what makes me most excited about jumping into this, because I get to literally swap out whatever I want. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions, concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Kermit 5.0, of course. Thank you so much, man, for coming through and buying those bags. I will have those shipped out to you here shortly. Remember, for those of you who want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP so I don't know your post. As you guys know, every time I make a video such as this one, I go to hashtag I see who used it, and boom, shout out. But until next time, we'll see you later.